Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to create an email address on Zoho. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official zoho.com website right here and open up the main page. This is the main page that you will be greeted by guys. So as you can see here, we can see all the featured apps which are the most popular on Zoho. You have the CRM platform, people, and here is the mail option. So guys, you have two options. You can either click the sign up now button right here, or you can go ahead and sign up right here at the top of the page. I'm going to be using the top of the page option because it is easier and quicker. So go ahead and click this option right here that says free sign up at the top of the page. And here you're going to enter your email address and the password that you will be using for your Zoho account guys. And then after you have entered everything, go ahead and click on sign up for free. And because guys, I have already created an account, I'm going to go ahead into the upper right corner and click on sign in instead. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my account. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my password that I use for Zoho. After that guys, I'm going to go ahead and sign in. And guys, now after you have created your account and logged in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the apps that you can use. So I'm going to go ahead and click on all apps. And now you can see I have multiple apps that I can use, and we're going to go ahead and click on the mail app right here. So guys, go ahead and click on mail. And click on mail guys, this will now open up a new tab with the mail application. And guys, because I have already created an email account, I cannot show you right now, but if you do not have an email account already, then you will not be greeted by this page, but you will be greeted by a page that will enable you to enter in your name, so that what name you want to use for your email account. After that guys, you just click confirm and it will automatically create your email, and then you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see your inbox and you can set a new mail if you want and so on. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. That's how basically you create a mail. It's very quick and easy to do. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.